Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free V-Bucks, so check me out, 0 V-Bucks, feeling depressed, but what you want to do is go to this website right here. It's called fntools.live, choose how much V-Bucks you want, and now we're just going to enter our username and select our platform. So let me just do that right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to type in my username. Alright, let me just go ahead and put that in. Okay, and after you do that, you're just going to go ahead and basically press generate, and now it's going to generate the V-Bucks. So let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so it's over and done with, and now we're going to press continue, and it's going to bring us to the final step, which is a verification. Really simple. Download 2 apps, complete instructions, and they're from the App Store and they're totally free. So I'm going to download the first app, which is this Travel Town. While this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list and download another app. So for me, I'm going to do Coin Master. So let me just download this right here just so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to download this. Alright, so we'll just wait for it to finish downloading here, as you guys can see. Alright, so let's just let it download. We should be all set. So now I'm going to do Coin Master as the other app. So same thing. So anyway, let's go to the home screen, see if we're rich yet. No money. Where's the money, bro? Alright, so we're just going to wait for these apps to download. Not really expecting a long wait time, but let's just give it a second for them to download here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to download these apps. Okay, so let's just see if they're downloaded yet or not. So not yet, so we'll just wait for them to download here, as you guys can see. Alright, so we'll just give it a second. Alright, so let's see and wait for the Travel Town to finish downloading. Alright, so now I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, just touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go and see if we got the V-Bucks. I have no idea if this works. Probably doesn't work, but let's find out and see if we did get V-Bucks, because personally, I think there is a chance this could work. So let's see if it works, guys. Moment of truth. Alright, let's check out our game. Alright, guys. Oh, nothing happened. Oh my god, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got 13,500 V-Bucks, as you can see. What the heck, guys. So let's go ahead and buy the Battle Pass, just so you guys can see if this actually works. And then I'm going to even buy skins, because I'm greedy like that. You know how we are. So let's buy the Battle Pass right here, just so you guys can see. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to purchase it, and you guys will see this actually works. Crazy, right? Purchased. Bam. So anyway, guys, be sure to try this out. It's super cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got the Battle Pass for free. I'm gonna buy some skins too, because I'm greedy like that. So let's see what skins we can get. I don't really care. I'll just buy whatever's cool. So yeah, there's a ton of skins in here. Look at that. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys.